In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change location on Glassdoor. If you've ever opened Glassdoor and wondered why the site keeps showing jobs from a different city, here's the key. There isn't one universal, always-on location setting across the entire site. Instead, Glassdoor treats location as part of your search, and that means you set it where you search. This is especially true on the jobs and salaries sections. So today, I'll show you the simplest, most reliable way to tell Glassdoor exactly where you want to look. Start by heading to the Glassdoor website and go to the Jobs section. You'll see a search bar built for two things: what you want to search for and where you want to find it. Focus on the location field. Click into it and type the place you're targeting. This can be a city, a state, or even a country if you want to cast a wider net. Keep it simple and specific. For example, typing Los Angeles, CA will steer your results toward that metro area. If you're open to roles that can be done from anywhere, type remote to surface jobs that are posted as remote-friendly by employers. As you type, Glassdoor may suggest locations. Choosing one of those suggestions can help avoid typos and ensures the platform understands exactly which area you mean. If you prefer to change regions quickly, switching from a city to a state or from a state to an entire country can broaden or narrow your results on the fly. Once your location looks right, press Search. Your results will refresh to show roles in the area you specified. From here, you can browse, open job descriptions, and move through the listings just as you normally would, with the added confidence that the postings match the location you entered. It's important to know that this action tells Glassdoor where you want jobs right now, but it doesn't permanently save your location across the site. If you navigate to other sections, like checking salary insights, you may need to enter a location again in that section's own field. Think of location on Glassdoor as a per-search preference rather than a profile setting. To recap, the process is straightforward. Go to Jobs, type the location you want, like Los Angeles, CA, or remote, and hit Search. That's all you need to see jobs tailored to the area you have in mind. If your focus changes, just update the location field and search again. With this approach, you'll always keep your job results aligned with where you want to work.